Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Para sa mga first time pa ngayon sa ating video, pwede niyo akong bisitahin sa ating FB page na Free Reviewers with Leonalyn, lalo na kapag meron kayong gustong pasagutan na gawa natin ng tutorial video, o di kaya kung meron kayong concern or kung meron kayong tanong regarding sa ating online review, lalo na for civil service exam sa daily live, daily quiz. So anyway, let's do number 1. Ito ay pang part 4 na yata natin. A glass is useful. Useful things are valuable. A glass is valuable. If the first two statements are true, itong dalawa, the third statement is what? So yung glass daw, yung technique ang kabisaduhin nyo at hindi yung mismong sagot. A glass daw ay useful. So, useful daw yung glass. And then, yung next ay useful. Lahat itong useful things are valuable. So, useful things are valuable. If the first two statements are true, ang tanong, itong third statement. A glass is valuable. So, ito yung glass natin. Valuable daw siya. And this is true. Kasi a glass is useful, yung mga useful naman ay valuable, therefore, yung glass is valuable. Therefore, ito na yung sagot sa number 1. Next, number 2. 3 pence, wait, ito ay pence. So, 3 pence cost the same as 2 erasers. 4 erasers, sulat natin para hindi na kayo maubusan sa actual na exam. So, direkta mo na isulat. 3 pen daw ay katumbas sa 2 erasers. Samantalang, 4 na erasers, so 4 na erasers cost the same as 1 ruler. Pens are more expensive than rulers. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is what? So ano kaya yung first two statement? So dito tayo sa 2 erasers daw ay katumbas sa 3 pence. 4 na erasers, katumbas lang siya ng isang ruler. Therefore, merong tig 2 dito sa 4, ibig sabihin, 6 pence katumbas siya ng isang ruler. Dito pa lang ay more expensive itong si ruler kay ni pence. Therefore, ang sagot dito ay pence are more expensive daw ay false. Now, dito tayo sa number 3. Rogers puts on his socks before he puts on his shoes. So, ganito na lang. Yung first niyang sinuot, dito sa taas natin ilalagay. Tapos, yung last or yung next ay nasa baba. Roger puts his socks before he puts his shoes. So, nauna si socks bago yung shoes. Sa next naman, he puts his shirt before he puts his jacket. Shirt daw muna bago yung jacket. Ang third statement ay Roger puts his shoes before he puts his shirt. If the first two, ito na naman yung first two natin. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is what? Ano yung third statement natin dito? Roger puts his shoes daw before he puts his shirt. Wala sa given, wala siya sa first and second statement. Hindi rin natin masasabi na false kasi pwede naman ganyan, O ganyan, pwede namang kung nauna, 'di ba? Pwede namang pagkatapos, ano 'to, puts his shoes before he puts his shirt, pwede namang ganito. Pero wala sa given sa first and second, therefore ang sagot dito ay uncertain. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Thank you and God bless.